How to make more money as an Uber driver Eats in 2025. So the first thing that you need to do is install this particular application called Uber Driver Drive and Deliver, not the normal Uber Eats, right? So after installing this application on your phone, simply open it. So after opening it, here what you're going to do is create yourself account. If you already have your account, you can simply log in. So just like this, I have logged into my account. So after doing that, here you will need to fill up all of the required information like your profile picture, driver's license, TLC license, insurance card, commercial vehicle registration, your inspection, and also vehicle permit. And lastly, Uber will ask you about your background check. So add in all of the required documents and all of the informations in here, and after doing that you can submit it, and within a couple of days Uber will accept you as an Uber driver if all of the requirements are measured and all of the requirements is good for you. So after being a Uber driver, the first thing that you want to do in order to make more money is optimize your location and timing. Another thing is streamline your order selection. And thirdly, you'll need to leverage app features and reward. What you're going to do is unlock Uber Pro benefits and also multi-status delivery. So after doing that, lastly, what you're going to do is provide the 5-star service for better tips. So never let your review go down and always treat your customers good. So after doing all of these, you will be able to make more money on Uber Eats driver, and that's it.